Okay, this is a book, The Encyclopedia of Animals. How many of our children read this? I have no idea. This is how old the book is. Now let's turn to 170 plus. No, 316. Okay, that's how I remember number now. We know John 316. Okay, so this is 314, 350. Okay, somewhere there. Look at this. These are kingfishers. This is another bird that I'm praying that we will see. It's Mandarin, so I don't know its name, but there's an English name that I forgot what is that. Anyway, different type of kingfisher. Look at this interestingly. Next is 3. This is 315. We go to 316. I remember 316 because yesterday there was 2 sunbird. I think this is sunbird, yes. Sunbird, they came very near to my window. So there were 2. And look at this. Can you see that? Yes. Side by side, one after one. This is the rhinoceros hornbill. And we have the hobos. And I turn to the pages before and after. Okay lah, the rest all sort of okay. Yep. So you see how God is really speaking. This is also another type of hornbill. Now these are the materials that our children is lacking of. And you look at all this, these are actually, yep, illustration. Whoever has produced this thick book, 这里买多少钱这本书 See how thick it is. This morning I actually go and sellotape it again. See, this is Garden of Eden. Elephant.